In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve common issues with Firefox if you're having trouble accessing websites. We'll go through a few straightforward steps that should help get your browser back on track. Whether you're experiencing connectivity problems or other browser issues, these tips will guide you through some fundamental troubleshooting techniques. Let's start by making sure that your internet connection is active. It's essential to verify that your Wi-Fi or LAN is properly connected. You can do this by checking the connection status on your device. As a quick test, try opening another website, such as google.com, to confirm that you have internet access. If the site loads without any issues, it indicates that your internet connection is active, and the problem may lie elsewhere. Next, we'll restart Firefox, which can resolve a variety of temporary issues. First, close Firefox completely. You can do this by clicking the Close button or selecting Quit from the menu. Once the browser is shut down, go ahead and reopen it. Try accessing the website again to see if the problem persists. Restarting can clear temporary glitches, so this step is a good way to troubleshoot minor issues. If restarting hasn't solved the issue, let's move on to adjusting the network settings within Firefox. Start by opening Firefox. In the top right corner, you'll see the menu button, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this button, then navigate to Settings. In the Settings page, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type Network into this bar, which will bring up the relevant options. In the Network Settings section, click on Settings. Here, you'll need to select Use System Proxy Settings and then click OK. This ensures that Firefox is using the same network settings as the rest of your system, which can help resolve certain connectivity issues. Moving on to another potential solution, enable secure DNS in Firefox, which can improve security and privacy while browsing. Again, navigate to the menu in the top right corner and select Settings. This time, in the search bar, type DNS. Look for the option to enable DNS over HTTPS. Make sure the box is checked. You'll also need to choose a provider for this feature. Popular choices are Cloudflare or NextDNS. Once you've enabled this setting and selected a provider, the change is automatically applied, potentially offering a more secure browsing experience. By following these steps, you should be able to address any connectivity issues you're experiencing with Firefox. Remember, keeping your browser and system settings optimized can contribute significantly to a smooth online experience. If problems persist beyond these steps, it might be worth reaching out for additional technical support. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you get back to seamless browsing in no time.